Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to make a Douyin account. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Douyin app. You'll find the website up to down. Click to open it. Click on the latest version. Then, click on Download. Click on Download Anyway. Then tap on three dots on your top right. Go to Downloads. You'll find your downloaded file here. Now go to your home screen. You'll find this app. Tap to open it. You need to accept its terms and conditions. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Here you need to log in using your phone number. As you can see, information is in the Chinese language. You can use any translation app to understand it or simply tap on the red button. After that, you just need to put in your information. That's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.